The Supreme Court has allowed the Trump administration to end the TPS program for thousands of Venezuelans living in Florida and across the United States.
TPS is temporary protected status, which allows beneficiaries to live and, in some cases, work in the U.S. for a limited amount of time. West U's Gail Pascal Brown is here tonight. And Gail, the High Court's decision could open the door for deportation.
Yes, that is very possible. The Supreme Court's order does not provide any delay in implementation, so it's possible folks could lose their work permits or be deported. Today's High Court action is not only shocking to some, but it's fearful to many. William Diaz's phone has been ringing off the hook with frustrated people.
People crying, people regretting.
Calls from Venezuelans after the Supreme Court gave the thumbs up for the Trump administration to revoke protective status to more than 350,000 Venezuelans.
It's not a secret that lots and lots of Venezuelans, even a lot of them that had no right to vote, did campaign for Donald Trump. Now they're feeling that they have been victim of treason. They have been put it on the side.
Diaz founded the network of Casas de Venezuela, which provides guidance and support to the Venezuelan community. He says people are scared.
It's a lot of frustration. There is a lot of families, hardworking people with kids attending schools, and it's terrible. It's terrible for them.
Everything is on the table. It's a period of desperation. It's a period of fright.
Wayne Golden of the Golden Law Firm is an immigration attorney in Orlando.
I expect the asylum applications will be flying left and right for those Venezuelans who feel that they now qualify for asylum or have qualified for asylum, because in effect their ability to stay in this country and to work under a legal framework is now thrown out the window.
He says those applications will eventually have to come through the immigration court that we stood outside of for this interview.
So you're looking at an increased docket, a docket that's already overloaded.
Golden says the best advice now is to consult with an immigration lawyer.
Because you really have no status. Once the status is terminated, you have no status and you can be subject to removal, deportation. So please look into what your options are, what your family options are, because this is going to affect from babes to adults.
Wayne Golden says there may be people looking for other options, like moving to other countries if they are willing to take them. Again, he says, try to keep calm and don't make rash decisions without first getting legal counsel.